Oh my god, this is so hard to open. I'm so excited. I'm sweating. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing my birthday presents. Some of them got here in the mail, some of them were dropped to me by my beautiful husband. So let's dive into this video. We have a big brown box in here, so let's open this one and see what is in here. All of these presents were bought by my husband, so I'm pretty sure he kind of like had a hard time finding these things for me. So let's see what he came up with. For those of you who are new here in my channel, hi, I'm Heidi. Welcome. I love to make high-end makeup beauty videos and a little bit of fashion, so if that's your cup of tea, please consider subscribe to my channel. Also, give a big thumbs up to this video. Comment me down below what you think about these little presents that I got for my husband, and let's just dive into this video right now. So you know what this box means. This is a Gucci item. For the size, I don't believe will be a handbag. Most likely will be an accessory or something like that. So let's open this one and see what is inside. After an eternity trying to open this, there we have it again. Let's see what is in here. Okay, I know what it is already. It's a bell. Let's see it. Oh, it's a light beige one. Is one of the small ones. I will put the information of this specific one in here on the corner because I don't know the name by memory or the sizes or anything like that, but this one is so pretty. You know the drill is just like the G bell. So pretty, like so pretty. Here we have the bell. It's a little big on me, but you get the idea. I have to make more holes in here to keep it, like, you know, properly on my pants. Next item is another Gucci item right here. The box is a little dirty, but the important thing is not the box, it's what is actually inside. And this looks like a shoe box, and definitely it is. We have the sizing here and everything. So let's see. We have all the things from Gucci, and we have right here the little bag to save it when you're traveling or whatever. And which ones? I think my husband is just watching my Instagram and buying things that he thinks I might want. So I'm gonna start putting more things on Instagram. Oh yeah, you see? I knew it. Look, oh my goodness, this is so cool. I love them. Oh my god, I hope that they fit me. They're so cute. I love the color. It's light beige. So pretty. I'm gonna look for socks and try them, and I'm gonna insert a mini clip with me trying them. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at the red. They both are the same. The red. Oh god, this is so pretty. I hope that they fit me. They look a little bit though, so I hope that they fit me. Here are the shoes. Look at how pretty they look on me. Oh my god, I'm so excited. They fit me like a glove. And we have another Gucci item. This one looks a little bit bigger, so I'm hoping this is a handbag or something like that. So we basically have everything. We have a belt, we have shoes, and this will be the handbag. Hopefully he was thinking just like the way I'm thinking right now. I mean, he's a very simple man, so he probably bought me a handbag. I don't know, this might be a small handbag, or it might be, I don't know. Shoes always come in this size, so bells doesn't come in this one. I think this is a small handbag. Let's see if I'm mistaken. Anyways, oh, okay. So the magnetic closure, probably a handbag. Let's see. I'm gonna unwrap this right now and see what is in here. Oh god, it's definitely a handbag. It's definitely a handbag. Oh, alright. Yeah, it's a handbag. Ah! Let's see which one it is. Okie dokie. Let's see. I think I know which one it is. God, I cannot believe this. Oh my goodness, this is unbelievable. you guys know I've been wanting this handbag since, I don't know, 2018, 2017. Oh my god. All right, so let's look at this one a little closer. Ooh, okay. I was happy with the belt. I'm really happy with the shoes because I really wanted a Gucci pair of shoes too, but like a sneakers. But this is something that I'm been asking the universe to give me since forever, and oh my god, little I knew my husband would buy it for me. Like, this is amazing. This thing is a little hard to remove from all of these things. Let me try to cut it. Guys, I'm telling you, like, I know obviously I'm married and I have a person who can get certain things for me, but asking for what you want to the one up there works. Like, it works. Love of attraction, that's how they call it. Tell me if this is so pretty. Like, look at the inside. Oh, here inside we have the Gucci information, like the authenticity and all of that. Oh, this material is so soft and nice. Like, it's like a leather material. Ooh, that's so cute. If I'm not mistaken, this handbag is around $1,200. But oh my god, I love everything about this little guy. Like the GG in the back, the actual gold metal double G, and this part here. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Like, I have zero complaints. Like, this is so pretty. Like, I've been wanting this guy. Like, the seat feel is a little hard. It's not the smoothest. Ooh, yeah, the seat feel is hard. Like, you have to pull it. The integrity of this bag. I have seen people holding this bag for years and years and years. So I'm very excited to have it in my collection right now. Actually, I have a couple of pieces in my collection that I might sell, so stay tuned for that. Because I don't use them often, or I think I bought them, but I never really loved them from begin to with. So I think I'm gonna sell them, and somebody who really will appreciate them and love them for many years will get it. But this one is something that I've been hoping to get for so long that I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna keep it until it is not her anymore. I don't know who will be able to vlog with this camera. So big and so heavy, oh my lord. So anyways, this is a look. Like, the belt, obviously not with this blouse, because this blouse is more for like having it outside completely, but this is a complete look. Like, look at the handbag, so cute, crossback, and the shoes, so pretty. Like, the shoes are so pretty. I love the shoes. Like, ooh, they're so cute. Definitely so nice. Oh, this is hard to hold. I'm like exercising right now. I cannot lie, I'm extremely happy of being able to get all of these goodies, all of them for Gucci, all of them beautiful, amazing things that I really wanted to get it. The shoes are a little different for what I really wanted, but I don't know if it does because he thought these ones are prettier, nicer, or he found a discount, or he couldn't find my size in the other pair of shoes. I don't know what happened there, but anyways, I still like the style so much. The belt is super beautiful. I wanted to get the team belt. I haul like the first video of my channel, a thick belt from Gucci, and that one Actually, it's not in my collection anymore. I passed it on to somebody else because it was very difficult for me to style it. Now I want it. I want it again, but it's okay. I passed it on to somebody who gave me exactly the same amount that I bought for it for because I never use it. So that's fine. I can get it later. So I'm very happy to get the small version of it in that little beautiful beige color, which matched beautifully with the handbag. If you're wondering what I'm wearing in my eyes right now, I'm wearing the NATASHA DENONA Safari palette. And with that note, I leave you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. I highly appreciate if you do that. That will help me tons and tons here on YouTube. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!